What's up guys, welcome back to my video. So apparently I had decided to buy a tank bag and I bought this TR10 tank bag. So this tank bag is a very simple installation. You need to buy the additional mounting plate to actually screw to this attachment. So I just need to buy this and then I just need to screw onto this attachment. Over here there's two screws actually holding to it, and then with this mounting plate I can easily fit this onto it. And look at this, all you need to do is just one click and then done. Tada, is being fixed. So apparently this one has actually a locking mechanism lah. So I can actually do a lock to ensure that people does not steal it. So let me show you guys how it looks from inside. So apparently it has a zipper which kind of actually is waterproof. So it zips all the way to the end, and of course let me show you how it's inside. So inside this actually looks like this. Okay, so I have put like some cloth for now, my cash card, and of course you can put like your phone and all that. So what I did is, because mine have a Apple CarPlay that's linked to here, I actually lay the cable over at this side at the corner and then into the bottom side of it, which they have a hole. And because this bag, right, it actually has two layers to it. So it's kind of cool because, right, I can link from the hole. The hole supposed to be actually helps with the rainwater that actually flow out. So the here is actually where additional water excess will actually flow down in case you never close properly. And I actually lay this wire out. Okay, so you can see how deep it is. It's about 7 liters of storage. So I can put pretty much stuff. So apparently this does not have a locking mechanism, okay, for this thing. So of course I will always attach my phone with this cable so that I can always link to Apple CarPlay with this. And of course it does not come with a locking mechanism, sadly. I have been searching for a lot of like this kind of tank bag, and it's either not non-waterproof, which you need to have like a raincoat cover, or you have waterproof but it's not lockable. So after weighing all the pros and cons of everything, I actually decided to get this tank bag because it actually does having waterproof, and of course with the ease of locking and unlocking. So apparently what I did is I actually improvised this TR10 from SHAD, and of course here there's like a mini hook where I think you can actually mount additional like handphone mount kind, but I do not require because I have Apple CarPlay. On the side it also has, and everything is waterproof. So the good thing is I actually did like a fastener, and then I actually did a lock to prevent actually people from accessing my thing. But of course, if I think that I actually put like valuables inside, I can always remove it. And of course, the good thing is there is actually this handle mount which I can actually hold on to it. So for now, actually I can change both to like kind of thumb lock if really I want to store things, but people can easily cut off and steal things. But I think for now this is good. If I have any valuable, I will always remove it. And for now, if there's not much valuables, then of course I will leave it onto my bike. Ultimately they can't steal it because this has a locking mechanism. So that's the good thing about this. And I think this is a short video. Of course the last video I did install the trial side box, so you can see that it works well. And of course I love it because it can open from both sides. Okay, and of course this backrest is actually kind of comfy. And of course that's the end of this vlog. I hope you like it, and do like, share and subscribe for me to create more content like this.